Hello guys, my name is James from Jayfix Designs, and today we have yet another project, and this is a project that we did late last year. Actually, it was late last year, and we did the 1 minute clips of each day of execution. We did day 1, we did day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, and the last day that we handed over the project. It was a sitting area renovation project, and we did quite some work and modifications in that project. So if you have seen those daily clips, they have the whole project, but now this is the compilation of everything of the whole project from day 1 to the last date. Continue watching the video, and then let's meet at the end of the video. So the first thing we need to do around this area, we need to create a kitchen island. Then around this area, we are going to modify that window and make it a bit small so that we can extend the focal point of the television. And then we are also going to change those rods, those brackets for the curtain rods. And we are going to have the gypsum ceiling in this area, in that slab. Again, as I said, at the TV area here, the whole of the area is going to be reformed. We are going to, that is our focus point, yeah. Apart from the ceiling, that will be our focus point. We are going to do quite of some modification there. You would see and compare at the end of the video. Now, much said, it's the first day we bring in the materials. It's work time. We begin with the TV area. We start, extending the system. See, the socket system has to be extended from the existing point to the new points. And again, we have started doing the gypsum blendering. I'm sure you are familiar with the term right now. And we are also going to create the fireplace. You can see the fireplace has already started being constructed. The ceiling also is ongoing. Again, the blendering now is almost done. You can see that. Now we have to wait until the newly made fireplace dry up so that we proceed to the next step. Now, once the blendering is done, we start system creation. We are doing the creation as still the fireplace is still ongoing. Now, system creations, in our case here, we are doing the electrical installation. We have to do the looping, the terminations, and create new points for the switches, for the new lights. Now remember, all these jobs are going hand in hand. As you can see, the fireplace is being constructed. The gypsum ceiling now is beginning to be installed. Now we have started reducing the window here, you can see. Now once we are done with the system creation, it's a wrap for the wiring. Now it's about beginning having the gypsum flat. Once the flat is done, we will proceed to the design. As you can see, the design of blendering is still underway. Now you can say we are almost done with the laying out of the gypsum ceiling. Remember, I had informed you about the modifications we are going to do at the TV area. Yeah, they are still being done, and also the gypsum is still ongoing. Yes, now the design is done. It's about of doing some this is skimming being done. Once the skimming is done, we'll do the sanding, and now later we do the painting for the ceiling. The ceiling has 3 stages. You have to do the installation, then you do the skimming and the sanding, then later you do the painting for it to be complete. Of course, the lighting is another department, but it complements the ceiling. It will come after the paint has been done. As you can see now, our fireplace is coming to shape. Yeah, slowly by slowly, but this is the 3rd day, if I'm not so wrong. So we expected it to be over within the next 1 day. So once it's cladding begin, it's just a matter of time, it will be done. Now you can see our ceiling is clean and neat. We have already painted it. It's white. Yeah, that is the theme. Now we need to begin the lights installation. You can see also cladding in our fireplace has also begun. It is almost over. You can see the shape here. Now also at the dining, we will not leave the dining area like that. We'll change the light and have a more modern light. Now the wall painting also has begun. You can see the skimming is underway. Yeah, the guy there is doing the skimming for the walls. We have to repaint the wall again, make it much better. Now our TV area now is well extended. It's just a matter of now the systems being installed there. Again, at the dining area where we are going to have our island, we also we made a beam there to complement the island. Now the TV area, we have started constructing the console. You can see the fluted panels have been installed. The UV the UV panel also has been created, and the wallpaper still is being installed. So the TV area is underway. As we are working on that, the painting on the other hand is still going on the wall painting, and yeah, you see it's almost done. And our island also, the lighting, we are almost done with the lighting for the island. You can see we created a small beam there to complement the lower partition. Now it's a matter of time. We have done with the undercoat. It's the first main coat for the paint. And now as you can see, and we have extended the wall to the window so that we created an artificial part so that it can have a balance. Yeah, now the lighting, just testing the lighting, see whether they are working okay, the ambient, and see how it blends in. And that is almost everything. You can see at the island we have the light. With the dining we have a customized light there. And you can see how the TV area came out. Yeah, with the hanging artificial flowers there. But again, that is our fireplace. Now the TV installed. You can see how it blended. These curtains will be changed too, but later. For now, it's a wrap. That is how the project was like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yeah, now you see that's how the project was like, and all we take pride in is that most of the projects that we complete, they are within the timeline, and we make sure we achieve more than 90% of the original design. Get to our website, get to our social media, just peruse through the videos, go through the the galleries and see different projects that we have done that are similar to yours. So, and if you have any questions, if you want to do any inquiry, we also have our contacts there. You can check below this. That's a website, and up there you can see our contacts there. And you can always feel free to call us or WhatsApp us, email us, and make an inquiry. Yeah, we don't charge for any inquiry. Just call us. You let us know about your project, or maybe any information you want to know about us. We'll just provide it to you. We value you, and we hope that we are going to work with you soon. So guys, that is all for today. Stay tuned for the next project. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also if you like the video, share it. Bye bye.